Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Then this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end you can go to your airplane and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.